This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, tuna steak. I love to eat fish. I'm pretty open-minded when it comes to food, generally speaking. I will try just about anything once, maybe twice. If you enjoy sushi, you'll love this. It is an amazing recipe that's quick, simple, and thoroughly scrumptious. Ahi tuna is known for its high-fat content, rich flavor, and meaty texture, while albacore tuna, the one you find canned and make salad with, has a milder flavor and softer, more delicate texture. Searing fish is a very simple process. The most important aspect is the quality of the fish. Buy the good shit. You can marinate the tuna for up to 1 hour before searing. If you marinate it longer, the fish protein will actually cook in the acidic ingredients. That's science. I won't blind you with it. Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic, okay?
I have no words. Let's eat.